Hi, I'm back. The audio was off for a while. I didn't realize that. Anyway, I am in the middle section, and as you can see, this is the stream to be, and the entire stream is more or less. This is a little shrine over there, and more or less it's shaped like this. So I need to know, like the dimensions across here, here where it's curving. Here, across and across here, and lengthwise dimensions, like, to the curve, from this curve to the second curve, and then the second curve to the end, like so. So I need to make at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 measurements, and I'm gonna go ahead and make the measurements. Let's see. So across is easier, so let's start with across. It's kind of, and it only has to be a rough measurement. That's all. That's all I need. Across in centimeters, by the way, 85 centimeters. 85. Actually, excuse me, 95 centimeters here. Okay, so 95 at the mouth of the river, whatever you call it, and where it's curving around here, it is 80, 90, about 90. Make it 92. Okay, so this is 92, and where it's curving again, around here, it is 75 centimeters, 75 to 80. Make it 80. And at the very end, it's a little, like here, it's a little wider, I believe. Make it 103. Okay. 103 centimeters, and then from to the first curve, it is just about 180 centimeters to the first curve, 1.8 meters, 180 centimeters, and from this curve to that curve is from that curve to this curve is 360. 360. And from this curve to, this is all curving, but an approximate measurement would suffice. So let's linearize it and let's suppose it's linear, and then it is from there, it is, oh well, the tape measure nicely curved, so it is 360 again. Okay. Okay, 95, 360, 92, 360, 80, 180, 103. Okay, so the total length is something like 540. It's 9 meters. This whole thing is 9 meters long. Okay, that's nice. So I'm still, I still haven't decided on whether I should use a pool liner from the beginning. It's going to be a temporary trial setup, but a pool liner, underliner and then the pool liner, or something like, for example, something like this. This is a gutter. Or I just found another thing. Let me show you what I just found. Here I'm still in the middle section, and this is the end, the east end of the house. The east end of the old house, and which means very near the east end of my premise. And here I found, I think it's called the U gutter or something like that, U-shaped. And what I found here is, excuse me, just a second. I'm gonna. Let's see. Okay, what I found was this. I wonder if yeah, okay. I need to wear my gloves. Right. So I found that there is a concrete gutter here. I can use this, to form a stream, and then eventually make it more like one in the wild. You see this? This is, if you, this is kind of short, but if you've seen this before, right? I mean, there are longer ones, and if you use long ones, then you can certainly make it. Well, let's see. Lots of gunk. Oh. You know, I found some concrete blocks, but along with that, I found, let's see, where is it? Yeah, here we go. You know, you've seen these guys, right? And there are, this is called U-shaped gutter or something. And if you put this together, you can make it, you know, a temporary stream. And by the way, this is made of concrete and it's heavy. However, there are resin ones and plastic ones which are much lighter, and especially there's a flexible made of plastic, I suppose, some plastic material. There's, you know, if you buy them, they are flexible, so you can really, like a real river, you can make them meander around. So that's another idea. So, you know, and by the way, I also found some blocks here, and let me let's see. Let me go and let's see how can I here is, I don't know, I think it's a concrete block, I suppose. Here is one concrete block, and this is what the heck is this? Yeah, it's a concrete block, isn't it? No, it's something, wow, it's something much larger. I'm curious. It's too late today because I need to get my crowbar or something to check what this is, but let's check it tomorrow. But anyway, as I just said, this is, you know, this is another idea. So and yet another idea is like to use, you just saw it, bamboo, you know, thick bamboo, cut it in half and make a, I mean, it all depends on how large and how large it is and how easy it is to build. And you know, as I just said, it's a temporary setup first, and slowly I'm trying to make it really nature-like. So anyway, I'm done with the measurement. The measurement yielded these figures. Can you see it? So it's this is the shrine, and around the shrine the width is 103 centimeters, and the first curve 80 centimeters wide, second curve 92 centimeters wide, and at the end, this is the mouth of the river, say, 95 centimeters wide, and from the shrine to the first curve is 180 centimeters, from the first curve to the second curve about 360 centimeters, and eventually from the second curve, first, second curve to the end, it's 360 centimeters. So this total length is about 9 meters, 8 yards, and some more, 8 yards plus, something like that. So, I'm now waiting for the gutter, and also electrical wiring. Once it's done, this house is finished. And by the way, no one came today, so there is there is no sense of going inside and checking if there has been any change. There has been no change. Okay, so let's go and check the ridge lines of distant mountains. Here we go. The ridge lines, it's about 6 o'clock now, I'm sure. Today was a cloudy day, and that was, according to me, it's nice because I don't want it to be too hot. Now, the ridge lines are like so. It's reasonable. I wouldn't say it's beautiful today, particularly beautiful, and there is some, I don't know, is it a fog or dust? Some suspension in the air, whatever. The ridge lines are not clearly visible. I mean, it's visible, but it's not clear cut. The distinction between the mountains and the sky above it, it's not quite as clear. So that's, but still, this thin cloud cover worked in my favor, and of course, speaking of today, the biggest achievement was, I want to take a look at it one more time because I'm so happy. And here we go. Here it is. Okay. And Mizuho. Okay. So I need to find out what's here, especially since I found these two guys. But I'm leaning against. I'm not leaning towards, but away from using concrete because it's too heavy and it's not flexible. But as I said, there are flexible gutters, U-shaped gutters and other gutters. Oh, by the way, the sky, it's 6 o'clock, so it's sunset time, but the cloud cover is doing a good job of hiding everything and making what otherwise can be beautiful so dull and monotonous and uninteresting. Anyway, so much for today, and yeah, I did a good. It was a good 3-4 hours of work. I'm tired. I'm ready to go in and take a cup of coffee as usual, and dinner, and rest, and I need to study some tonight. Okay, I'm signing off. It's see you later time. See you later. Until next time. Bye bye. Until next time. Bye.